Hello, welcome and greetings. This is Mariposa coming to you with a super fun unboxing today. Gina at Crafty by Nature, with Crafty by Nature, on Instagram released another one of her fabulous kits. This one is Easter themed, and I wanted to come on and share it with you because she's got another one coming that is all about. Okay, the one before this was teddy bears, and the one coming is, oh my goodness, I'm drawing a blank. I'll put it in the description box. Hopefully I'll remember it before we get off. But she has the cutest packaging, not just for her kits, but also for the actual like kits themselves. So she included these beautiful rosettes, which have little bunny heads around the edge. Adorbs. You always get flowers with her. Let me actually move this out of the way. You get flowers. I love those flower centers. Various trims in Easter colors. How cute are these? They're actually like bunny ear bows. Some handmade embellishments. And I love the detail on these guys. It's like, I'm gonna take one out. Eyelash trim. That was the word I was thinking of. Eyelash trim is always a part of her kits as well. So look at this guy. Super cute. And it's a shaker with the little resin bow up there. And these are resin flowers, and that's a metal piece. I thought that was adorable. And you get 3. Well, with this kit, you got 3. Okay, I'll put that in later. All right. She always gives you some basic rosettes, which you can then decorate yourself. Some see-through lace ribbon, sorry. Okay, this time we got beads, like small beads in the same coordinating colors. Okay, this was a cute addition. It's a, what was it again? Because she also does like an unboxing. So, you know, oh, fabric. That's right. You know what you're going to get. So this was fabric piece, and it's glittery, and I'm trying to think of what it reminds me of. But it's very thick. It's very, very thick. Okay, we also got, hold on. All right, we got more embellishments, but in a smaller version. And I thought this was super cute too. She found actual bunny ear scissors. Super cute in pink. And I like how she added the bow to the holder and added a charm. I love her kits in part because of the attention to detail. It's just super, super fun. Okay, and I think these are almost, oh no, we have 3 more smaller things. So we've got some coordinating colored lace trim, some sentiments, Happy Easter, Bunny Hop, Bunny Kisses, and Hello Spring. And this is just a thank you gift. I thought that was sweet. Okay, but I'm not done because there's also these layered sentiments that she included. So we have a Happy Easter, Cottontail, Hello Bunny, Somebody Loves You, and Bunny Kisses and Easter Wishes. But I'm not done yet. Okay, because the kit always comes with some three-dimensional packaging into which she puts resin, charms, beads, metal charms, additional things you can use to embellish. It's super cool. So let me move these things out of the way so I can bring that over. Because it is stinking adorable. And once again, the packaging. So she actually found a little bunny gumball machine. How adorbs. Okay, and I'm going to use my bunny tray to... So this unscrews, and then you can take everything out, essentially. And so you can take a closer look at what came in it. So look at the little, oh, you got a couple of furry bunnies. And tons of, these guys are like furry, some more furry bunnies. We've got bows. I love this guy. Super cute. More bows. This is adorable. Look at the little bunny in the train. This one's leaping. And I'll just turn them over so you guys can see them. But we've got some chimes that make noise. You know, like the bell chimes. Just super, super cool. All shapes and sizes of bunnies. Oh, look, here's a flower pot, little mini guy. This one had a little bit less of the metal than I'm used to, but I'm totally fine with that. Okay, so just to give you guys a closer look. I think oh, look at this one. The design of her kits is really, really well done. Super well done. And these are the ones in the middle. So yeah. Okay, so that is my bunny unboxing of Gina's bunny kit. So I'm excited to get to use these things, to start using them for Easter. And I'm excited that you guys are all here. Thank you so much for taking time out of your busy day to support my channel with your viewership. It is greatly appreciated. Welcome, welcome to all of my new subscribers. And I want to wish everybody a beautiful and blessed day. Take care now. Bye.